Hello and welcome to the SquaredUp for SCOM Quick Win video series. In this series we are going to take you through building and designing your own dashboards. We will look at some of the tile types and visualizations that are available. We will show you how to run SCOM agent tasks from SquaredUp, and we'll also show you an example of using a SquaredUp dashboard to troubleshoot an issue in a live production environment. So let's kick things off with the first video in the series, and in this video we'll be exploring the dashboard designer. So let's go ahead and take a look. So here we are at the Getting Started page, and from here we go ahead and create a new dashboard. We can do this by either clicking on the Create Dashboard button, or we can select the plus icon from the navigation bar and select Dashboard. We can now see the dashboard designer. You'll notice there is already a tile added, and this tile is ready to be configured. When I hover over some of the available tile types, there is an orange plus icon that appears, and this means there are further visualizations available for this tile type. So let's start by adding a status tile. And you can see when I add the status tile, there are 3 visualizations to choose from. So from here, let's select the donut visualization. Now we get to choose how we want to scope the tile. We will talk more about scoping later in the series. There will be a link in the description box below which will take you to a video in the series which explains scoping in a lot more detail. Now that we have added our status tile, I want to add another column to this dashboard. So if I place the pointer over the right hand side of the window, I see an orange columns icon appear. Then hovering the pointer over this will change it to a plus icon. And clicking this will add a new column to the dashboard. Now I want to adjust the column sizes. I can hover the pointer between the 2 tiles and we will see the orange columns icon appear. Hovering the pointer over this icon reveals 2 options. A plus icon to add further columns, and an arrows icon which we use to resize these columns. We can now simply click, drag, and drop the columns to our desired size. Now let me go ahead and add a few more tiles to this dashboard. Now that we have some more tiles on this dashboard, we might want to make some more changes to the layout. We can drag and drop tiles to other positions on the dashboard. We can also adjust the column sizes once more to get the dashboard looking exactly how we want it. We can go ahead and delete columns. By hovering the pointer over the top of a column, the orange column icon appears once more. Hovering over this will now reveal the trash icon, and if we click on this, it will delete the entire column. Now you may only want to delete individual tiles from your dashboard. You can do this by clicking the trash icon for that specific tile. Alongside the trash icon for your tiles, you'll also see a clone button. Clicking this will add a copy of the tile to this dashboard. There is also a cog icon on each tile. Clicking this will open the tile editor. This will allow you to review or adjust the scoping for that tile. Once we are happy with the dashboard, we can go ahead and click the Publish button. This will make the dashboard available on the navigation bar. Alternatively, we can click the Discard button, and this will delete the dashboard. It's important to note that if a dashboard remains unpublished, it will remain in a draft state, and this draft dashboard will only be visible to the user that has created it. Before we publish the dashboard, let's just explore the options available to us in the top right-hand menu. We have more buttons here which allow us to publish or discard the changes to this dashboard. We also have the ability to clone this dashboard. This will add a copy of it to the navigation bar. Using the lightning bolt icon, we can add or edit actions on this dashboard. There will be a link in the description box below to a video in the series which covers the dashboard actions feature in more detail. We also have a button to edit the JSON for this dashboard. This comes in handy if we want to do some fine tuning, or even some changes to the configuration. However, this is a more advanced topic and beyond the scope for this video series. We can also convert this dashboard to a perspective. We won't go into too much detail in this series about perspectives, but if you wish to learn more, there will be a link in the description box below which will take you to the knowledge base article for perspectives. There is also a cog icon at the top right of the dashboard. This opens and closes the dashboard editor. Clicking it will enable you to edit the tiles which are on the dashboard, and clicking it again will close the editor. So there we have it. I hope this video has given you enough to start creating your own awesome dashboards, and coming up next in the series, we'll show you how to scope the alerts tile. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.